Hello everybody, this is Miles Kipper here, your friendly neighborhood Pixera rep coming to you live from InfoComm 2026. And I am here to tell you about our newest product, the Pixera 4 Generation 2. This is the RS model, seen in such places as on tour with Metallica, with Ed Sheeran, in places like Adele's show, or events like Soundstorm. This is nearly the most performant media server you can buy today. It is capable of up to 28 layers of 4K playback, and we find improvements across the generative stack. So if using Notch, Unreal, or Touch Designer, which we of course host natively, we're seeing performance increases of greater than 30% on this server over our last model. It's been redesigned from the ground up. We build everything in-house. It has redundant power, comes with the Blackwell 6000 Max Q GPU. This current model has HDMI, SDI, I/O outputs, 25 gig network slots, second GUI GPU, because we think you should keep your show pixels and your GUI pixels separate. It's got Sync, it's got Dante, it has a removable, replaceable dust filter, and it has balanced XLR. This server we've recently lowered the price on it. It's available for $109,000, and it is pound for pound the best server on the market. Thank you. You can find more information on it at Pixera.one. You can reach out to me anytime. I'm our live events guy. We've got a team who's really happy to help you. Thank you.